Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of HSE, health, safety, and environment. Whether you're a professional in the field, a student, or just curious about how organizations prioritize safety and sustainability, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what HSE is, why it matters, and how it impacts our daily lives. Let's get started. HSE stands for Health, Safety, and Environment. It's a framework used by organizations to ensure the well being of their employees, the safety of their operations, and the sustainability of their environmental practices. Health focuses on protecting physical and mental well being, safety aims to prevent accidents and injuries, and environment ensures that ecological impacts are minimized. Together, these three pillars create a safer, healthier, and more sustainable workplace. HSE is crucial for several reasons. First, it protects lives and reduces risks by preventing workplace accidents and health issues. Second, it ensures that organizations comply with legal regulations, avoiding fines and penalties. Third, a strong HSE culture enhances an organization's reputation, making it more attractive to clients and employees. Finally, HSE promotes sustainability by encouraging eco friendly practices that benefit the planet. Let's break down the key components of HSE. First, risk assessment involves identifying potential hazards and implementing measures to mitigate them. Second, training and education ensure that employees are aware of safety protocols and best practices. Third, emergency preparedness involves planning for potential crises such as fires or chemical spills. Finally, environmental management focuses on reducing waste, conserving resources, and minimizing pollution. A strong HSE culture brings numerous benefits. Fewer accidents and injuries mean happier, healthier employees and lower costs for the organization. Increased employee morale leads to higher productivity and retention rates. Cost savings come from reduced incidents and legal liabilities. And of course, a positive environmental impact ensures a better future for everyone. To wrap up, HSE is a vital framework that protects health, ensures safety, and promotes environmental sustainability. It's not just about compliance, it's about creating a better workplace and a better world. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.